Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another video, and today I finally got my lift kit in for of course the lifted Miata, and I've been home like for two and a half hours already, and I totally forgot about the lift kit. I knew that I had the fender flares and the adapters for the wheels here, but I didn't know I got the lift kit in. So let's open this in order and save the best for last, which is the kit right here. I just went upstairs to get some water, and I saw the box on top of the other boxes. I was like, what the fuck is this? And it's from Flying Miata, so of course it's gonna be the lift kit. But I bought all the parts already for the car. I bought, what I get? So I got the fender flares, adapters, lift kit, paint, and I think that's it. I don't know, I might have something, but I'm waiting for some parts. I just forgot what else I bought. But I'm doing this on a $600 budget, and the wheels and the tires. And I'm doing this on a $600 budget, and already I'm at around 540. I'm not sure. I don't know how good this video is gonna be, by the way, because I'm in the garage. My brother's car is not here, and there's not much light around the house, so I just figured I'd do it here. But anyways, let's get to the box. So here we have this eBay box. Doesn't weigh much. It's just fender flares. I haven't seen them yet, but it's a guy who lives around here. He bought the same. Actually, a couple people have told me that they bought the fender flares. They're $45 straight on eBay, and I was looking into buying carbon Miatas. Carbon Miatas fender flares, but they're like $180 I think, or $200. And it's not gonna be worth it because I have to cut them to make it fit anyways, since it's gonna be lifted and I have to cut the whole wheel well. So I got, I better save $160 and use it for something else. But let's get this over real quick. And they were like $45 shipped to my house, so can't beat it. eBay special. So as you can see, we have 4 over here. Got 4 of them, and they're kind of big, to be honest. I don't know how good they're gonna fit, but just plastic flares. I don't know if you guys can see all the way back here, but I have them right here, and actually they fit perfect on the wheel well. Even though I'm not cut it, so probably this side right here, a couple inches from here, and from this side they're gonna be cut. So it doesn't really matter. I might leave them the way it is. This is like plastic. I was gonna plastic dip them, but yeah, I should leave it like that. And then here we have the adapters for the wheels. I'll put a picture up right now on the screen, and that's the color I'm going with the wheels. I mean, these are the wheels I'm going with. I bought the wheels for $125 out of my friend. But they are 4x108, and Miatas are 4x100. So I needed the space, the adapters for them. I got this for, I think it was $60 on eBay for all 4 of them. Hopefully they'll snap on me, or just don't break. They come well packaged. As you can see, not bad for eBay, I know a lot of people say eBay, but I know this is different companies that make them. It's not eBay. A lot of companies sell stuff on eBay, even though they're like name brand, like AEM, Nike, or like any brand, they sell the shirt on eBay, but I still call it eBay since it's cheap as fuck, so. Some thick ass wrapping here. Just wheel spacers or adapters. So 4x100 by 4425. And these are 25 millimeters, so it's gonna stick out a lot. And so it doesn't matter since I'm gonna be cutting the fenders and gonna be using the fender flares. It's gonna turn out great. and I forgot what offset it is, but it has a pretty high offset. The wheels that I bought, the guy said that he was gonna put them on his Fiesta, I think, and they were poking out way too much. So I forgot. He doesn't know what offset it is, but I wonder how much it's gonna stick out. I'm actually gonna put this on with without lifting the car, because I don't know when I'm gonna have time to lift it during this week. So I want to put them on, see how they look with the car stock and just some adapters. And then the main reason you guys are probably here is this little kit. This kit I got it from Miata for 196 bucks, I think. I got the adapters for 60 bucks, and the Fender flares for 45 bucks. I'm still waiting. One of my friends is giving me some tires. Alright, so here we have the plates or the adapters. I'm glad they come powder coated now. I know when they started making them, they came with bare metal, and people usually just spray paint them at the house. And they come powder coated now on black, and they come with all the hardware, new bolts for your struts, and yeah, it looks pretty good. And so this is the rear, I'm guessing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the rear. This is the front. Take a quick look at it. So it's just powder coated black. These go on the rear, and then I'm pretty sure this is the front one. I went to the car and actually put PB glass on all the bolts so they can be loose and easy to get out once I put them on. So I did one step ahead. And then they come with a receipt, and they were $195 actually, $195.26. And then some Flying Miata stickers. But anyways, guys, so this is the stuff I got for the car for the lift kit Miata. The lifted Miata, and I can't wait to put them on. I'm super excited. And next week is gonna be a little warmer outside. And if I have time, if I'm off from work and school, I will start sending the car down. But first, I'll be putting the kit in, of course. But so I want to start putting the kit in, sending down the car, and getting it painted. But I'm probably gonna leave the paint to actually have more time, and it's actually warmer outside, because I don't want to be painting when it's 30 degrees outside, and it's gonna take a while for the paint to cure, and I might have runs, and it's gonna take a while sending the whole car still. So not a rush. But and I also bought a drone. I'll have a review video on the drone I bought today. I've been spending money like crazy, just trying to get good content for you guys, and good videos for when I have to go to the car meets this summer. It's gonna be great. And for autocross, I can definitely get some high views from the sky, so you can see people going through the whole track. I'm pumped up, so I just can't wait for the summer videos. If you guys want to watch more of the videos, more of the lifted Miata, my brother's GSM that should be right here on this spot, or my friend's Evo, and then we have another Evo building on the shop, and we have a DSM, a GSX, whatever you want to call them. Getting built at the shop too. They just got it in today, and that's for now. We have more of our friends. My friend's getting his Evo back, which is going for a 1,000 horsepower, 1,000 horsepower build too, and it should be done in a couple of weeks, he said. And then his DSM, he got a build too. I think he's going for 600 horsepower, if I'm not mistaken. And I think he got it back. He's just putting it back together. He got all the parts and everything from the shop, and he got that block and everything. But if you guys want to watch more of our videos, more of content, make sure to click that subscribe button. Click the like video if you like the video. Make sure to stay tuned with more of our channel. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.